Okay.
Mm-mm.
So, with this po, if we will compare from last year, which is 123, ngayon po, it's 111. So, 10% low po tayo.
Mm-mm.
The municipalities with fireworks-related injury are Dagupan, we have 20 cases. In Lingayen, we have 8 cases. Calasiao, 8. Bani, 3. Bayambang, 7. Mangaldan, 5.
Mm-mm.
Malasiki, 2. Binalonan, 4. Bautista, 2. San Carlos, 11. San Nicolas, 3. Pozorubio, 2. Labrador, 3. Bugalyon, 2. Other municipalities are Anda, we have 4 cases. Alaminos, 2. Burgos, 1. 4 cases for Basista. Manawag, 1. Mapandan, 2. Rosales, 2. San Jacinto, 1. Umingan, 1. Urdaneta City, 3. Santa Barbara, 3. Lawak, 2. Binmaley, 2. San Fabian, 1. Tayug, 1. And Santa Maria, 1. Of all these fireworks related injuries, the type of involvement is 51 sa active and
Mm-mm.
for passive cases, 60. So if we say active po, ito po yung mga nagpapaputok mismo, while yung passive are just the watchers, just the bystanders, yun
Mm-mm.
po yun. So the used fireworks po dito ng mga municipalities and city na may naputukan ng mga pasyente, 30 of the cases are unknown. Ibig sabihin po, when they came to the hospital, hindi po nila alam kung ano po yung paputok. So
Mm-mm.
the possibility is passive kasi sila. They're not the ones na nagpaputok. So, yung others is hindi nila alam kung ano yung tawag doon. Basta they just came in.
Yes.
10 po yung number of cases. Yung Quitis, 28, 5-star, 13, Boga is 5, Whistle Bomb, 11, Boom Boom, 1, Plapla, 4, Luces, 6, Bawang, 2, and 1 po stray bullet. So, with regards to the injury type, blast burn without amputation,
Yes po.
sa side po ng hand, there are 36 cases. Yung natamaan ng face, 6 po. Sa chest area, 2. Meron sa knee, 2. Eyebrow, 1. Yung sa head po, 11. Forearm, 6. Knee, 3. Sa legs, 14. Foot, 10. Sa buttocks, 2. Back, 4. Sa my neck, 1 po. So we also have 8 cases of eye injury and 4 cases of hand amputation from blast burn.
Mm-mm.
One stray bullet. So that's a total of 111 cases po.
Yes. Doktora, yung pong stray bullets, saan po atin natala po iyan? Paano daw po na-acquire po?
Um, ano po siya? So, syempre stray bullet, it's accidental. We really exactly do not know kung saan banda, but it happened in the municipality of Rosales. So,
Mm-mm.
ang nangyari po sa kanila, actually the patient is alive. He was treated and was sent home. Ang nagkaroon lang siya ng soft tissue contusion sa may trunk niya sa anterior thoracic. So that is secondary to gunshot wound. This was actually validated po. This happened sa C-firm in Rosales po.
Yes po. And doktora, wala naman po tayong, itong maganda, wala po tayong casualty, no, sir, ma'am, sa inyo pong nabanggit po.
We have 2 casualties actually, sir. This happened in Dagupan.
Yes.
So we have 7 years old female and 13 years old from Dagupan po.
Yes po, ma'am. Opo.
So out of the 111, 109 of those were alive and dalawang namatay po from dagupan po naman nangyari yon.
Opo. Pero yan po yung December 25 nung po nga nagkaroon po ng pagsabog po dito. Pero yung salubong po natin ng New Year's Eve, wala po ma'am.
Wala po sir. Parang there are only 11 additional cases po from the time that we first gave you the previous data sir. So wala naman po tayong casualties na nangyari nung January 1 sa pagsalubong ng 2026 sir.
Yes po. Doktora, hanggang kailan po yung ating pagiging red alert po dito? At congratulations dahil bumaba po tayo dito po sa mga natatala po natin with this campaign para sa iwas paputok po ng ating ginagawa po, Doktora.
Yes, usually sir may until January 6 po. Pero syempre hanggat meron mga paputok pa po kasi na natitira yung iba, they continue doing it.